Welcome to the MessageWhiz interface. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the Chatbot feature, a powerful tool that lets you create, manage, and integrate automated chatbot workflows across multiple channels. The Chatbot section allows you to build intelligent, automated messaging flows for a wide range of use cases, including customer support, lead generation, and transactional updates. To create a new chatbot, click Add Chatbot. Enter a name and description, then click Create to begin designing your chatbot. Use these tools to build your bot. User input to trigger a response. Bot response for the message your bot sends. Fault response when user input isn't recognized. Webhook to push data to external systems. End notification to close the chat. Button menu to offer multiple choices. Multimedia response for links, images, or videos. Teleport to move the user to a different sequence step. Once your scenario is ready, click the Test button to preview how it works. When everything looks good, click Publish to go live. Your chatbot is now ready to be deployed on supported channels. Want to connect an external AI bot? Click Chatbot Integration to integrate with Chatbot or Dialogflow. Thank you for using MessageWhiz. For more tutorials, visit our website or contact our support team.